Hi, I'm Dave Frank with Subaru. Today we're going to talk to you about spring tune-up. What we're going to show you first is how to do an oil change. What you want to make sure at this point is that your fuel valve is in the off position. Still should be if you watch winterizing your engine. Alright, before doing any oil changes or cleaning your air cleaner, you want to make sure you disconnect the spark plug boot from the engine. Therefore, we don't risk any chance of the engine starting with you nearby. Now there's a couple options for draining out your oil. One is the option, if you want to get a little bit fancier, you actually stick this into where your dipstick is. And just go ahead and suction it out. However, for the average person, we're going to show you how to do an oil change. Please, once again, read your owner's manual to make sure this is the correct step for your engine. All right, now that we drain the engine's oil, we're going to show you how to add oil. Once again, this is a great time to check out your engine's owner's manual to find out what the best recommended oil is to use. In our case, we recommend 10W30 for summer application. All right, now that we finished filling up the engine's oil, we're going to go ahead and double check it to make sure we use the right amount. Now all dipsticks read a little bit different. So you're going to want to make sure you look at your owner's manual to make sure you add the recommended amount. Ours is a lot like your car. You have your low hash mark and you have your full hash mark. We're going to go ahead and check that, and once again you want to actually screw it in where it's on top of it. Then you're going to go ahead and look and see we're at the full hash mark. Alright, what we're going to do now is actually check the engine's air cleaner. This is also another great time to read your owner's manual. Some have screw-ons, some have latches. Ours is a latch system. It's a paper element. As you can see, this air cleaner definitely needs to be replaced. We have a couple different options of air cleaners here, just to touch on. Here is a standard foam element air cleaner. This can come in all shapes and sizes. This can be rinsed and cleaned and reused again in most cases. Here is a dual element, which is a paper on the inside and foam on the outside. This also needs to be replaced. Here is a brand new paper element air cleaner. We recommend that you use genuine parts. What we're also going to do is just kind of clean off around the engine, make sure we're not leaving any dust or any particles in there, because whatever you leave here, it's going to get into your engine's oil and jeopardize the life of your engine. All right, now I'm going to demonstrate for you how to change the spark plug. going to do is just take a wire brush, go ahead and clean that up. Now we're going to check out the spark plug gap. Now is a great time for you to grab your owner's manual to read what the right gapping is. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and put the spark plug back into the engine. I always recommend you do this with your hands first to not risk cross-threading it. Once you get it started, go ahead and grab your wrench. Now you just need to get it snug. Alright, we're almost ready to start mowing. What we're going to do now is actually turn on the fuel valve. Now remember, not all engines have this. And don't forget, at the very beginning, we disconnected the spark plug boot. So we're going to go ahead and reconnect that onto our spark plug. And you, my friends, are ready to mow. So hopefully you learned a lot about spring tune-up. Please check out our website and our YouTube page to learn more about our engines.